Ireland's consumer watchdog has warned parents that pillows marketed as sleeping aids for babies can cause death through suffocation or overheating. They are mainly sold online, and over 1,000 have been removed from websites after takedown notices were issued by the Competition and Consumer Protection Commission.
Fluffy, cuddly and potentially dangerous, these pillows are marketed as sleep aids for babies, but the Competition and Consumer Protection Commission is warning parents and caregivers not to buy or use them, as they can cause death through suffocation or overheating.
The idea is that you put this in a cot and that it maybe you wrap the arms around, this vibrates. You know, it's supposed to be soothing, but actually these fly in the face of every piece of health advice for parents. You should never put any form of pillow or cushioned item in the cot with your child.
Sometimes called soothing pillows, baby sleep positioners or sleep companions, these pillows are marketed at parents who want to help their baby get that often elusive thing, a good night's sleep.
I'm a mum myself, so I know exactly what it feels like to have no sleep. But and that's why they market them that way, you know, as sleeping aids. And parents aren't aware often of the risks. But we know from tons of evidence that the best place is an empty cot with a firm mattress, so that it reduces the risk of suffocation, of overheating, of the baby falling and getting trapped anywhere.
The Competition and Consumer Protection Commission has said they're not really seeing these products for sale in Irish high street stores. It's more of an online phenomenon. And so far, they've seen over 1,115 of these products removed from online marketplaces, including Amazon and AliExpress, after the CCPC issued takedown notices. But if parents do find an ad for one of these online, the advice is to report it to the CCPC and to steer clear. Laura Fletcher, RTE News.